once a person starts tasting this, this is like a real joy of the soul inside. And no joys of the body or this temporary world can compare to the joys of the soul.
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحمد ونصلي على رسول الكريم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد كما تحب وترضى له. Alhamdulillah, all thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gave us this ability to gather for His remembrance. وَلَذِكْرُ اللَّهِ أَكْبَرُ وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا أَشَدُّ حُبًّا لِلَّهِ. Alhamdulillah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us this life in this very, very short time that Allah has given us. So whichever moments we can spend in the path of Allah, in the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, those are our real asset. And rest everyone will leave here. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قد أفلح من تزكى وذكر اسم ربه فصلى. That no doubt he became successful, the one who becomes successful, who remembers the name of his creator, the name of his Rabb, who does the Zikr of the name of his Rabb and establishes the Salat. So, Alhamdulillah, this Zikr is a big ni'mat. In the darknesses of the world, in the darknesses of the desires and the trials of this world, the Zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the refuge, is the protection, is the light. The more a person engages in the Zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the more light, the nur he or she attains in his or her heart. So Alhamdulillah, we should benefit from these gatherings which are becoming rare and rare. Otherwise, our Shaykh used to say that 24 hours the person is either in the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or the ghafla. If there is Zikr, if there is no Zikr, then it is ghafla. Ghafla is the negligence from the Creator, negligence from the purpose of life, negligence on the reality of this life, that why am I created. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He likes a little bit of effort of His people, this creation human being, because Allah has given honor to this human being. Allah loves a little bit broken effort, whatever a person does towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah appreciates those efforts. Otherwise, if we know about, like in a hadith, the angels, some of the angels, from the day they are created, they are in sajda, in prostration, till the qiyamah, till the day of judgment. Millions of years, Allah knows the exact time, how much. They are in ibadat. Some angels from the time of the birth of their creation till the qiyamah, the day of judgment, they are in ruku or qiyam or standing and worshipping Allah. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has valued more, a little bit effort, a little bit ibadat, effort towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, turning towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah has appreciated more for this human being. وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ. And this remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the light from protection from all the darknesses of this world and shaitan and desires and so and so. So Allah gave us this ability. We should take maximum benefit of this life. As-sihat wal-faragh, the health and the free time. People don't appreciate this unless till it is actually gone. Once then person realizes the real value of this. So the dhikr of heart is actually to focus and to capture our heart in the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to be protected from the whispers of shaitan and desires. So we focus on our heart. This meditation of heart is focus on the heart, and heart is saying Allah, Allah, Allah. This beautiful name. Once a person starts tasting this, this is like a real joy of the soul inside. And no joys of the body or this temporary world can compare to the joys of the soul. So Allah give us this reality. The one who's searching for this should try this. And Allah give us this ability. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin kama tuhibbu wa tarda. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد كما تحب وترضى يا ربي لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك ذي سلطانك يا ربي صل وسلم دائما ابدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم اللهم اعنا على ذكرك وشكرك وحسن عبادتك اللهم انت السلام ومنك السلام تبارك يا ذا الجلال والاكرام. Allah, help us to remember you day and night, morning, evening, sitting, standing, lying down. Oh Allah, help us not to waste our life. Oh Allah, these precious moments of life, we are very weak. Oh Allah, you give us this ability to be protected from shaitan and from evil desires, and you help us protect, Ya Allah, protect us from all the jealousy or all the sicknesses of the soul and the body and all the disabilities of the body and the soul. Oh Allah, we are very weak. All the powers belong to you. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billahi al-aliyyil azim. Allahumma inna nas'aluka min khayri ma sa'alaka minhu nabiyyuka Sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Wa na'udhu bika min sharri ma sta'adaka minhu nabiyyuka Sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Wa al-musta'an wa alayka al-bala.